it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Good morning, happy Saturday. So I want to share with you guys the 7 must-do deals at CVS next week. There's a ton of great deals. Some of them you don't need a lot of CRTs to get some really good savings. We are getting some instant coupons at the Red Box, so hopefully your Red Box is up and working. Make sure you go to the Red Box. First thing you do when you get to CVS, enter in your phone number or use your extra care card and get those instant coupons and CRTs. If your Red Box is down and you're new to couponing, what you can do is go on your either on the website or on the app, go to the coupons folder and you can send your CRTs to your card. So that way you don't have to worry about printing them at home and using ink and having to have access to a printer. So that is an alternative option for you as well. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up. It always helps the channel grow. And when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will be doing another subscriber appreciation giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The first deal I'm going to go over with you is the L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care. So this is another instant coupon. We're getting a 2 off of 2 at the Red Box. So they're on sale 2 for $8. You're going to use that instant coupon. Then you're going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon coming in the Sunday Retail Me Not. Final cost is going to be 2 for $2 or just $1 each. And the $8 does track towards CVS Beauty. If you're new to couponing at CVS, make sure you sign up for the Beauty Club, and every $30 you spend on CVS Beauty products, which include shampoos, conditioners, lotions, makeup, facial care products, things of that nature, you're going to get an additional $3 beauty buck. So this deal would qualify towards beauty as well. It is on the Garnier facial care. Now, we are getting a $3 instant coupon. You can only use it one time, and it's good for any 3 deals. So you can use it on the L'Oreal deal, this Garnier deal, or a Maybelline deal that I'm going to share with you as well. So just keep that in mind. Whichever deal works best for you based on the coupons and CRTs you have, then use that, of course, towards that deal. So one example would be for the Garnier facial care. They are on sale, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So the cheapest thing you can buy would be the Garnier Micellar Water Wipes, the Skin Active. They are $6.79 at my store, so your total would be $13.58. You would use 2 of the $2 Garnier Micellar Water coupons that you see here with the scissors in the ad from the 3-1 Retail Me Not insert we're going to be getting on Sunday. If you haven't seen my coupon insert preview, make sure you check that out. We're getting 4 inserts on Sunday, so definitely a good week to buy some newspapers and buy some inserts. So with that instant coupon as well, we're going to pay $6.58. We're going to get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is just 79 cents each, which is amazing. Now, if you have like a $2 micellar water or something like that, Garnier Facial Care CRT, use that towards this deal. You'll pay $4.58 out of pocket, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost is free and a nice 42-cent moneymaker. This is another deal that you could use that instant coupon for. Maybelline is on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. You're going to use 2 single eyeshadows. They're $4.19 each at my store. Some stores might be $4.29, so just watch your math and just adjust it accordingly. Now, if you use that $3 instant coupon on this deal, you're going to use 2 $1 off 1 eyeshadow coupons for the Maybelline that are also coming in the 3-1 Retail Me Not insert. You'll pay $3.38, get back the $5 extra buck. So, without any CRTs, this is a complete freebie and a $1.62 moneymaker. So this would be an amazing deal. A lot of new couponers reach out to me and ask, what are some good deals to start with? How do I start building some extra bucks and getting some CRTs? Starting off with some moneymaker deals like this is exactly how you want to get started. Put together a few moneymaker deals, pay the out-of-pocket, get back those extra bucks, and then you can start rolling the extra bucks into your next transaction, and that's how you get your out-of-pocket super low, and it doesn't take that much time. The next deal is on Colgate Mouthwash. They are $3.99. When you buy one, you're going to get a $2 extra buck, and it is a limit of 2, so you can do this deal twice. So you're going to grab 2 of the mouthwash, $3.99 each. On Colgate.com, you can print 75-cent off 1 coupons. So you're going to use 2 of those. If you have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT or a $1 off 5 mouthwash CRT, anything like that, make sure you add that with this deal. You'll pay $4.48, get back the $4 extra buck because we're doing the deal twice. So $2 in extra bucks for each mouthwash we're buying. Final cost is just 24 cents per mouthwash. So great. So here is an oral care deal for you if you have the 3 off of 12 oral care. You're going to get 2 of the Optic White toothpaste. Oh, that should say toothpaste, not toothbrush. Sorry about that. They are $3.49 each. Get 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. They are $3.99 each. Total is $14.96. You're going to use $2 off 1 printable coupons from Colgate.com for the Optic White. Use 2 of the 75 cents off 1 coupons for the mouthwash. Also free and printable from Colgate.com. Then you're going to use that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. After all those coupons and CRTs, you're going to pay $8.46. Get back a $4 extra buck for the mouthwash and a $4 extra buck for the toothpaste. So final cost is going to be 46 cents for all 4 products, or just 12 cents an item. Great deal for some oral care. The next deal I want to share with you is on Love, Beauty, and Planet. So we haven't gotten some really good deals on this in a while, and we're getting amazing coupons in our inserts. So I wanted to share this deal with you guys. It's on sale. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So you would pick up 4 of the Love, Beauty, and Planet shampoo, conditioners, whichever. They are $9.29 each. Total would be $37.96. You're going to use 2 of the buy one, get one free coupons up to a value of $9.29 from the 3-1 Retail Me Not insert. If you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, you want to make sure that you use that as well. If you have 2 of those, you can actually use both of them because 18 plus 18 is 36, and we're buying $37 worth of product. Then you're going to pay $14.58, get back the $10 extra buck. Submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get an additional 750 points. So Love, Beauty, and Planet right now on my account is a bonus item. So with that is an additional 75 cents back. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards, super easy. All you have to do is download the app, make a profile. You just enter in your name, your email address, your phone number, things like that, and scan your first receipt. You just take pictures of your receipt and bam, it's that easy. And put in this referral code here, J24VT, and you'll get an additional 2,750 points when you scan your first receipt. Excuse me. So make sure once you check out at any Walmart, Publix, Aldi, CVS, Walgreens, you name it, right away take photos of that receipt so you can get your points. So final cost would be just 95 cents per shampoo, which is an amazing deal when they're starting at $9.92. And of course that $37 is going to count towards CVS Beauty. So you're going to get, let's go back to that. You're going to get an additional $3 back in beauty bucks. So, and now your final cost, instead of being $4.58 and then taking off that $75, you're going to get back that $3 beauty buck. So now your final cost is 83 cents for all 4, or just 20 cents an item. So great. Okay, now let's go to the next deal. So this deal I'm super excited about. I haven't really been able to stock up on any good candy deals in the last couple weeks. So Easter candy is buy one, get one free. I'm going to get those Reese's eggs. Those are so good. They are $4.39 each. Now, if you saved that 2 off of 2 instant coupon that printed for us last week, or this current week, at the Redbox Coupon Center, you're going to use that. Then you'll pay just $2.39 for both, or $1.19 each for 2 bags of candy, which I think is a really, really great deal. So that is the end of the 7 must-do deals for CVS next week. We have some great moneymakers, great beauty items that we're going to be getting. And I will let you guys know once I get my extra bucks back from that Epic Beauty event that ends today. So if you haven't finished up on any extra beauty deals at CVS, make sure you go today. They will count towards that Epic Beauty event where you're getting an additional 10% back on beauty items. If you haven't seen my Walgreens ad preview, make sure you click this video here and that coupon insert preview. Such an important video to look at real quick. See what coupons we're going to be getting so you can check your inserts before you buy them in case you're looking for specific coupons. So that is linked up here for you as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.